Hi everyone, this is Nishi Bajaj from Kids Venture. How are you all doing today? So, today we have a very little girl who is going to help us make a beautiful art with pista shells. I know a lot of you have probably done that before, but this is going to be something which is out of her imagination. I just feel that so many of us are just sitting at home, not doing anything. But I feel hats off to these children who are actually being able to do all these things. Like they're actually teaching us and all those things. But also hats off to all the parents who are taking that step forward. Great thing. I would like to give a big round of applause to all parents who are actually making an effort to get their kids forward to doing this. And there we have Miraya with us. Hi, Miraya.
Hi,
How are you?
fine.
Fine. So, can you show us what are we going to learn today?
A pistachio shell art.
That's so pretty. And what are the shells supposed to be actually?
The shells are birds sitting on the tree.
They are birds sitting on the tree. How beautiful is that? Can you see that, viewers? I think it's amazing imagination and it's an amazing way to use your time and energy to doing something. Great, Miraya. So, can you first tell our viewers how old are you?
7 years old.
Properly. Come on, let's see what all do you require for this art.
If you're doing your art with pens, then you will need a paintbrush and a three thin paintbrushes for the
Okay.
trunk and one thin brush only in case you're doing the painting with a pens. And
Okay.
I'm going to do it with uh the
Brush
with
pens.
brush pens, and
Okay.
now and you'll need a cloth, like a dry
Okay.
cloth, to wipe the pens. Some water in a bowl,
Yes.
brown color paint, peach color paint, black color paint, light green paint, and dark paint, green paint, and your pista shells that are ready, glue, fevicol, and one thin marker and one fat marker.
Okay. So viewers, we had missed out marker in the list of requirements. So anybody who doesn't have a marker can either quickly fetch it or else you can just see what Miraya is doing with the marker and you all can add it later on. Miraya, are we ready to show everybody how to do this?
Yes.
Let's start.
Okay. We are going to first start with a trunk of the tree.
What color is that?
I am using black.
Okay.
Just use a little and you make the trunk of the tree a bit on the half of the paper, at the half of the paper. So we need to paint this full trunk with black. Now we use a
Okay.
little brown to give a little more color. Now we are going to use peach for a little more lightness. Now we are going to merge it with a dry brush. Now we have to make the branches of the tree.
What are you using for the branches?
I am using a brush, a black color brush pen. Now we have to draw small branches. You do a V shape for the, like how I am doing. We don't need to do the branches and everything very straight and proper because so it looks natural. I have already made one ready. This is how it's going to look after all your small branches are ready. And then you can even use a little black on top of the branches like how I have done. Now we're going to do the leaves of the tree. First we use light green, and if you're using brush pen, put your brush pen standing and don't put it sleeping, otherwise there will be a drop shape.
So can we do this with paint also?
Yes, I'm going to show a little with paint. Please use a thin brush if you're doing with paints. You can even, when I was practicing, I even thought of doing this with brush pen. I mean, earbuds. So I'm going to show you a bit with earbuds too.
That's a great idea. Of course, we can try that. Mera, as a child, what do you think is the best? What do you think? Paints, brush pen, earbuds. Of course, everybody is going to do as per whatever they have at home and during lockdown. But what do you think is most convenient for you?
Brush pens or paint. Please do a very little dark green. We don't want our full tree to look too much dark, otherwise our birds are not going to stand out. After you do your leaves, this is how it's going to look. Now we have to put our birds. I'm going to show how I'm going to paint one bird and show. You can also use brush pens to paint your pistachio shells. I've already kept some pistachio shells ready.
Okay, very nice.
Now I'm going to start sticking them. We have to put our glue very carefully only on the pistachio shell. Now we have to try to stick our birds where there's place to make a beak. So
Okay.
we have to don't please don't stick it near the leaves, otherwise the beak is not going to show. One more thing I want to say that the top of the pistachio shell should be on the top, and so the eye can also the eyes, otherwise it will look that the bird is going downwards. Now we have to make the eyes of the bird with a thick marker, black marker. Now we have to use a thin marker for the beak. If you put too much glue, this is how it's going to be. It's not going to show.
Ah, okay. So Miraya has also shown you a flaw, viewers, that if you do this, then this is not going to happen.
There, done.
Okay, so
If you
can you hold it for us? Can we see you and the artwork together?
If you want, you can even write the name of your art. I have made two paintings, one with a bushy tree and one without a bushy tree. If you want, you can even make your bushy tree after you make the birds and the beak, so your beak stands out. And in the one that I had made before, you can do the same like I had done. I had done two pista shells, meaning two birds, two eyes, and a mouth instead
Oh,
of a
that's so
beak.
pretty.
And then I made wings.
How nice. Superb. So thank you so much, Miraya, for being here. Thank you, viewers, for watching us. I hope you all enjoyed this art with Miraya, and I hope you all also made it. Those of you who made it, please do send it to us so that we can post it on our Instagram page. And tomorrow we have a fun session. Miraya, even you join in. This little girl is making ice cream sandwich. So in this lockdown, for all those who are craving ice cream sandwich, yes, you can come and you can make that. Okay? So keep your things prepared and see you tomorrow. Bye. Thank you, Miraya.
Bye.